everybody, it's Carol Billing. I'm your instructor for 413 Retail, and I wanted to show you Blackboard. So I've been teaching in Blackboard a really long time, online, fully online, and it's amazing if you think about how we used to design classes versus now, and it's just really gotten pared down. I feel like online students, and especially if you're not 18, like non-traditional, we just want the information. Just give me the information. I don't need funny, beautiful pictures. I just need like really clear navigation and then give me the information. So I think I'm paring down my Blackboard every semester, and this is probably one of the most pared down versions in design. I think it's really simple. Hopefully it's not too boring. And hopefully it's logical or it makes sense navigationally. I think instructors always think they're organizing in an intuitive way. And it's funny because I've taken classes before where I have no idea where anything is, and it's so frustrating. So that being said, hopefully you can figure out my navigation, and I make these videos to try to make it easier. So let's get to it because it will just take a quick minute. News is any announcements that I want you to get via email, as well as have them here to look at in case you need to find them later. I will only delete them if the event passes during the semester. All right, course content. So let me just tell you, these 4 things are all you need for the course. So news, course content. This is where all your assignments or any other additional information will go. Your instruction is not going to be in Blackboard. Your instruction is going to be in the lesson plan and common curriculum, and so I'll go through that in a different video, but I think you'll like it because I think it will make sense, and will also show you sort of the back end of how you create curriculum. So I'm really excited about custom curriculum. I hope it's good. Fingers crossed. You always get these new things. You're like, oh, it's going to be great, and then you do it, and students are like, yeah, we hate it. Okay, back to Blackboard. I have your syllabus and calendar in here. And I just put links to them because the syllabus won't change. The calendar is definitely in a draft form. The first week is done. And then I'll add weeks, and I have a system of changing the color from like a light green once I've got the content out there and ready for you to start working on. It's light green. Then it's a darker green when it's past the due date, and then it's a third darkest green once I've graded it. And that's just a way to communicate kind of quickly where is she at with her grading. What's due, what's not due, that kind of stuff. What's ready, what can I work ahead on? You'll be able to tell all that from the course calendar. And I'll do a separate video over that. Okay, there's a quick syllabus calendar quiz. It's here. This folder, and I'll actually probably bump it to the bottom, but this is just information that was included in a past version of this course, and so I didn't want to lose that information. And I haven't decided if it's going to stay. So it's here for now. It's here for now. But that's why it's in a separate folder. I don't feel like it's super relevant. Basically, your course content, though, is going to be where you turn in work, where you would take a quiz if there's a quiz, everything related to the classes here. So a week 1 deliverables, this is your first assignment for week 1. So you can see it in here. And where do you download it? Okay, you must have to get it from the link. Sorry. I put a link in the announcement or the text here. And so when you open up this, you'll see your week 1 deliverable here, and you can download this. And this, I would love to say, is my own design, but it's totally not. I stole it from a friend. But what he's done is he's put all the assignments into a Word doc, and so you basically just insert everything in the Word doc, save it, and upload it. So all the assignments are in one place, and you can't not do something or miss it or try, it's just kind of trying to put everything in one spot. So I thought, well, I'm going to try this since I'm building these courses from scratch anyway. And I'm hoping that it makes sense, and it might be something you want to include in the way that you set up your curriculum. So the first thing here is the make sure you review the course calendar and syllabus and then do the quiz in Blackboard. So that's why it's separated out here in the beginning. And then these are the 6 things that you do this week. I know it sounds like a lot, but they won't take long. especially if you have my class before, because some of the stuff is just making sure we're all on the same page about task stream and what have you. So anyway, you have the instructions there, log in task stream, select your program of study, and I'm going to give you instructions on how to do that in the common curriculum lesson plan. You're going to snip a picture, and then all you have to do the assignment is put the snip here, insert it into the Word document, save it, go to the next thing, do it, put the snip in, save it. Okay, all the way down. And the sixth thing is nothing that you have to do. It's just reminding you to make sure you order your textbooks. So when you're done with that, save it, and then you'll submit this document right here. You'll submit it there. And that's your first week's worth of work. And there may not be a packet every single week. I've designed the calendar first to allow for that. But I think as we get going, we'll have like a 2-week block of time we're working on some stuff, but it'll still be a Word document with instructions on what to put in. I hope so. If that makes sense. Okay. That's all on that. That's the course content. Here's your task stream link. So I always do right click, open in a new tab just because it opens goofy in Blackboard a little bit. Yeah, like it, but anyway, it should go fine from there. I actually have this set up as a button somewhere on here, and I find that is easier than trying to go through Blackboard. And then you have your My Grades. Below that, these are links to all the websites that I am planning to use through the semester, so you don't have to try to hunt to find them. Again, you can right click. See, I haven't tested this one out. So go right to, oh good, it goes straight there. It doesn't like try to keep it in Blackboard, it just takes you right there. And this is Box. That's how I have mine set up. So I have, you know, a college, and then in there you go in, and there's all the classes I teach for that university. And then, or sometimes I have just a simple one class. Anyway, file management is, I think, if you can get that down, that's half the battle with teaching, is organizing your curriculum and your stuff, your content, so you can grab it quickly. All right, that's it on Blackboard. A little bit longer than I had hoped to spend, but hopefully that helps you navigate the course. Let me know if you have any questions on anything. Otherwise, I will move on to the next thing. Thanks.